So this is an update to the lift. I ain't got a long enough bolt, but what I do got is some off. Good old 24 inches. I ain't got nothing to cut it with. Yeah, dude, I got a saw. Dang it, it's raining. Dang it, now I gotta go get all my power tools. So, the only problem we had with the lift so far is like getting it into position and with the bolts. So, but let me know what y'all think about the squatted part of it. If y'all want me to put a 2-inch block back with this 4-inch block, or should I just keep her squatted? But right now we gotta jack it up so I can put my tires. I think that's my dad. But we're obviously gonna sit y'all down. That's basically what we're doing. We're gonna put both of the rear tires. Hold on, gotta sit y'all back down. I think we found the bolt, boys. This can fit in this hole. Nope. So we're gonna go ahead and lower it and hope for the best. This is a brand new lawnmower built out of that one over there. There's my neighbor's house, and then we got a little special something over there. Oh, y'all can already see the front tire though. Probably will be recording footage for that. But I'm gonna go in, charge this battery on this impact, and then if it quits raining, I'll pick y'all back up, and we'll go from there. I'll show y'all. As y'all can see, you got the shop out here. That's my seat. That's my hat. That's a drill. But I'm gonna go in. Probably go play some Far Cry. And if it don't quit raining, I'll pick you up tomorrow. So old front end for John Deere. If y'all need a front end, just let me know. Bicycle, riding reel, tomato plant, lawnmower. Probably gonna go watch some Jerry Springer. I gotta set that back into a table. So I'll see y'all in a minute.